Hello everybody, welcome in today's video. Like we discussed in yesterday's video, this move of Bitcoin might not be that strong at all. And yeah, like I also said, over the next coming months, I just think over the next coming weeks, I just think the price of Bitcoin is going to come down right here into the next cycle low. And if we look at the 4-hour time frame, we can also see that we've already lost the EMA ribbon on the 4-hour time frame. And I really want to thank WhalePortal for basically showing us the direction in such an easy way. Because guys, I don't know how about you, but sometimes in the morning I only open this website on the phone, I'm scrolling through these charts, and I can already say like, okay, whether the price action of Bitcoin is strong or weak. And for example, yesterday you could already see, okay, the funding rates are positive. Premium index, depending a little bit where it was hovering yesterday, of course, but if it's close to the zero mark, it's also a little bit more bearish, right? This, you want to have this really negative in order to be positive. We are seeing that the take buy sell ratio is coming down, now also surpassing that green line. So yeah, it's just not all that strong, right? And what we also see is that right now we did kind of like lose that support again. So we had like this breakout out of the 4-hour EMA ribbon. We had this horizontal resistance that we broke out, but now we actually trade back below the EMA ribbon on the 4-hour time frame, and we trade below that support. I want to double check on the daily time frame what is happening over there. But yeah, it clearly looks like the momentum of Bitcoin is again like running out of steam. So right now we are trading also below the daily EMA ribbon, and if we do get a daily close below this, we might not even get that last pump that I was talking about as well, because I thought that's still a possibility to still get a run up to the resistance, maybe break out of that falling wedge formation. I think it's still possible, but of course, if we lose the daily EMA ribbon, the chances are just less likely that that will happen. As you can see in previous times, the moment we are like decisively losing the daily, most of the time that goes along with a continuational move to the downside. So losing these lows right here will definitely be a confirmation of that after breaking the EMA ribbon on the daily time frame. So yeah guys, the trend is basically to the downside on the daily time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, in the shorter term time frame. There is some last hope with this falling wedge formation that we do get like a small breakout, maybe a small rally, trap a lot of bears and bulls, right, and then just turn around and go lower. But it really looks like that over the next coming weeks, in the month of June, we are going to see a continuational correction of this move we had to the upside. And yeah, which is actually just very healthy, and it would also still fit in the 16-year cycle theory. It still fits in the 4-year cycle theory. It still fits in that we are in a uptrend right here. We have a low, a higher low, and we will form a higher low. So generally, it is just a healthy correction if you ask me. And I'm not too worried about the macro perspective. I'm not too worried about that. Like I said, shorter term time frame, we can see a correction. And of course, that correction often goes along with some volatility, shakeout, whatsoever. But I'm very confident that we can continue this uptrend that we have started after forming that 4-year cycle low in November, around 16,000 US dollars, the moment we went all in back into the price of Bitcoin. Guys, that was it for today's video. Not much has changed actually. We are following the same trajectory. Make sure to watch WhalePortal charts because they are very important. Soon there will be a lot of nice updates, guys. We are working hard right here on the other side to get new charting libraries to make it easier for you to analyze this with the Bitcoin price and so on. So a lot of stuff is coming for WhalePortal, guys. Make sure to be ready and to have the knowledge whenever these updates are coming. If you want to trade Bitcoin, of course, I'm recommending a couple of exchanges down below this video. And I would say the best recommendation I have right now for this moment, because sometimes it's changing, right? It is BitGet. And we might place BitGet on the first place right here in the exchange list. We're really considering that as of now, because the volume on BitGet is already for weeks higher than the volume on Bybit. BitGet has more trading pairs, and the only thing that Bybit has is the maker fee is slightly lower on derivatives on the derivatives trading platform. But yeah, I think volume is one of the most important things. And of course, one of the big advantages that BitGet has above Bybit is that there is no KYC on BitGet. So you can just create an account with your email and password and Google Authenticator. So it is secured, but you don't have to make pictures with your password, have your personal ID linked to your trading account. So I think that is just very nice. So yeah, guys, if you are interested in trading Bitcoin, if you are interested in joining WhaleAlerts, which is the private Telegram channel of whaleportal.com, where you will receive extra information and so on during this bull market, which I think is very high value information with a very low step to enter, because the only thing you need to do is just be an active trader on one of these exchanges. And yeah, if you are watching this channel, you most likely are already an active trader. So guys, if you haven't got a Bybit account yet, you don't mind KYC, and you want to take advantage of a huge deposit bonus up to $30,000, make sure to join Bybit with the affiliate link down below. But if you don't like KYC, or you already have a Bybit account, make sure to join BitGet with the affiliate link down below. They will give you a 10% cashback. You can get a deposit bonus up to $5,000. And of course, after you created that account and meet the deposit requirements, don't forget to submit your user ID right here over on WhaleAlerts, so we can see it from our end and we can throw you into that private Telegram channel. Guys, earlier today I've uploaded a video about the stock to flow model and how we can use the stock to flow model basically to look at the structure of Bitcoin right now and why it's actually changing. I personally think it is a very interesting video, and I would highly recommend every single one of you to watch this video. You don't have to watch the screen on that one. You can also just listen to it like a podcast and just listen to it. It's like a 20-minute video, but it is very interesting. If you know a little bit about the stock to flow model, make sure to watch that video, because we can use the stock to flow model right now basically as a structure to prove a different point. Because the stock to flow model itself is broken. Everyone knows it. But because it's broken, it can prove a different point, which would strengthen again that 16-year cycle and would strengthen a lot of things that I'm saying right here in the channel. So we use that as an evidence. So make sure to watch that video, guys. Of course, if you like this content, drop a like, drop a thumbs up. I'm wearing my sunglasses today because it's a beautiful, beautiful day right here in the Netherlands. Today we are going to enjoy the weather for sure. Yeah, guys, if you are new, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notified and don't miss any important information in this bull market. You don't get left behind. Very important. I wish every single one of you a beautiful sunny day, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.